What's up, everybody? How you doing today? It is Wednesday, November. I almost said October, but anyways, how you guys doing? It is Wednesday, November 15th. If it's October 15th, it would have been on a Sunday. It's not Sunday. It is Wednesday. It is Hump Day. I do not have two messages. You just acted up again. But anyways, guys, it is Wednesday. You guys know what today is. Today, I'm getting a second fire alarm. Oh, I probably need to get ready to mail it. I need to put my letter in the mailbox. But yeah, so it's gonna be a pretty crazy day. Oh, it's already raining outside. Dang it. But anyways, guys, hope you guys are doing amazing. Hope you guys are having a great day so far. I am, most importantly. Scrolling through my Facebook feed. If you guys do want to follow me on Facebook, please do. At Chris Graddy. Follow me on Insta, Chris Graddy 8899. Don't miss it. La 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 la. Who cares? We're dealing with this stuff with these unlimited club monthly plans and all that. No, it's wash books. Buy 4, get 3. Ours is buy 4, get 2. So they do it buy 4, get 3. We get buy 4, get 2. Well, however the heck it works. So yeah, excuse me. Goodness. So yesterday, I don't even know what to say. Ooh, it's T.Y. Hilton's birthday today, so happy birthday, dude. Yesterday, not yesterday, but I'm scrolling through Facebook. I find this guy named Christopher. Oh, let's find his name. My manager has a Facebook. I'm like, no. I better delete that one post about being so mad because I forgot tomorrow's my best buddy's event. Hey! I was like, like, wait, that's an excitement. Yay! Make sure to link it in the description, but this guy is selling freaking fire alarms. Let's just go to like a fire enthusiast. I'll show you guys what I mean. That's clean. What? Oh, ba-da-ba-doo. What do you mean? Okay, here we go. So we have a Simplex horn strobe, a Simplex 4903. Hold on. 4903, 9101. We got 4903, 9252. We have a Spectral Advanced P2R. Then we have a ETS Genesis. Like, they're the smallest horn strobes. They're like the size of my hand without my thumb. See? Those are the fire alarms. And his name is Christopher Rambo. I actually bought a Wheelock NS from him, and that's what's coming today. I will say tomorrow. today. We'll be doing an unboxing later on today. So he has 2 Simplex alarms. He has an ATS Genesis. I don't know the model of it, but it's a mini horn strobe. And a Spectre Alert Advanced horn strobe. So yeah, pretty awesome sauce. I wish I could buy the little mini ATS Genesis. I never owned one of those before. But I know this. For a small fire alarm, they're loud. They are loud as heck. I'm hiding away from you guys. Kidding. So yeah, I'll make sure to link his address if you guys are interested in buying some fire alarms. If you've never owned one before, he will give you your address and do all that. Again, it's Christopher Rambo, R-A-M-B-O. If you do want to follow him, again, just make sure you go on Facebook. I'm off. Alright. Pretty good cereal. Yes, I mean cereal. I just like to cover it. Because my brother said, oh, don't eat in front of people. That's mean. Like, dude, have you seen other YouTube videos? People eat in front of you, too. And my girlfriend says she's going to stay awake. So, yeah. Vlog it is coming today. We're going to be doing an unboxing. No worries. And yeah. Oh. But nothing, you saw nothing. So hey guys, again, We Lock In is coming in today. I'm so excited. Yay! I hope you guys are excited too, because we're also gonna be doing a little test of it as well. I never heard this thing. It's probably gonna be so loud. You guys are gonna hear an ear blasting horn today. I'm not kidding. Gosh, the dryer's taking so long. Drip, drop. Oh goodness, guys, I don't even know what I'm doing in my life. Well, excuse me. So yeah, guys, they actually up playing in the drawing. Oh, of course. Okay. I do not have no format you piece of bullcrap. My phone's been such a pain in the rear end. Okay, for some reason my phone's acting up, so what I'm gonna do is reboot it. You know the reboots when you have to push down on the home and the lock button. You know the sleep wake button on your, well, some iPhones it's on the left, on the right side, but it's on the top right. You have to push down on it with the home button and then reboot. I don't know to see how the iPhone 10 will do that. Some people say you can press the home button, the lock button, and like a power button, like a, not a power button, but like a you know what I mean, like a volume button, like a top or down. Do that, it will do that same thing. It'll do that same thing. So yeah, guys, hope you guys are ready for this unboxing video. I am, of course, because this will be my first horn strobe fire alarm. Select and choose what happens with this device. Oh, input videos and photos. Oh, close. Okay. Whatever. So let's see who commented on yesterday's previous video. Okay, guys, I do shout outs of the day. If we actually gonna work this time. Of course. There's always still have to be the little amount of messages that I don't need. Let's see. I will add to my playlist my Nights at Freddy's, and then System Test 1 from 22408 Aaron. And then let's go to my channel. Alright, now it didn't do that anymore. Now I'm gonna do Draw Classic because my, oh, you guys are amazing. 185 subscribers, guys. We are just about 25, 90. Hold on. But no comments on my Talking Tuesday. That's okay. I know it was my move because I was asleep. I couldn't play that game. I have 31 turns. Ooh, my turn to draw. We're making a goal, guys. We're gonna make it a net. I hope she figures this out because this really should be that hard. Okay, and Indigo. Don't know who the heck that is, but she's been waiting 10 hours as well, so I don't really give a crap. But anyways, guys, we have 243 videos, and that is crazy because you guys are amazing. I love you guys. Well, not personally, but so it is the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys do enjoy. Make sure to smash that thumbs up. Boom! Make sure to follow me on all my social medias, and make sure to add me on Skype if you want to do video calls, chat, and all that. And if you guys want to be a shout out of the day, if you guys comment on any of my previous videos, you'll be a shout out of the day. All you have to do is this. Comment below that you have them on, and I'll choose 4 at random every single day. So, and make sure to share the videos if you do want to. And then I'll see you guys later. Ghosts, Mogocious.